I'm not sending anyone into that cave.
But Jonas, isn't it your duty to aid our people?
Yeah, this world's gone to the
Fancy a look at my wares?
What an exhausting day it's been.
I think I can manage.
Sir Arisen. I am sorry you had to witness that. Jonas has been harsher in his treatment of beastrons since we were... Yet how can he condone leaving a man to his death is beyond my ken. Listen, I know I have begged me, though the chief has forbidden it, a number of us intend to mount a Will you aid us in our efforts? Pray, meet us at Stormwind Cave.
We must fly to the aid of those in need.
Don't feel safe here.
Cave. Shall we proceed into the depths?
We'd best be prepared to make our own light before we proceed.
Of course.
You've come. I knew I could count on you. In we go then.
No doubt we will have to plumb the cave depths to find out charge. Shall we press on? I've a rough idea of where our destination lies. Shall I show you there, Master?
We're in your hands, sir. Much obliged. To charge ahead may be to rush headlong into danger.
Saurian!
We have no means of exploiting our enemy's weakness.
Was most effective.
Let my magic charge through elemental moves. Dare I say it? We trounced our foe well and true.
We mustn't allow ourselves to become complacent. Take each trial as it comes.
Have you a different destination in mind, Master? Very well. I shall follow your lead instead.
It is not for us to gainsay the Arisen's judgment. We must go where we are bid.
for a fine tale when I rejoin my master beyond the rift.
Truly? Aught appears to have changed since we were last here. Let us proceed with due caution.
I cannot fault your memory. We must get to the bottom of this. We shall have to crane our necks to spot our foes in a place like this.
Keep your eyes peeled. One of us has been drenched.
Looks like a curative, but no one will fit.
I can do no less in service to the original.
I like that.
I'll hold the enemy in place.
Bad mistake.
I'm saved. Thank you.
We'd best report back. The mission was a success. I wonder what Sir Jonas will have to say of our efforts. I believe I can guide you to the person in question.
There, Master! Saurians!
Ice attacks work once against their ilk.
Uncommon materials can be found here, methinks.
Well spotted. Shall we see what we can find? Danger might lurk anywhere. Wear every shadow, and mind the ceiling.
Naught can threaten us if we watch each other's backs.
I'll harvest what I can, should it please you.
What a relief. Now, let us...
So, 'twould seem your rescue mission was a success. No matter. You'll accept your...
How can you say that, Jonas? Now you're just being cruel.
Cruel, am I? And what do you call disobeying my orders? You're banished. All of you. You'll find no welcome in Harv any